I have one breezeway installed. The only thing I'm using is a pocket knife to basically trim off the excess plastic. And with this, you basically look up what truck you have. Let's say I got a Cascadia up to 18. It's number 8. You come over here, you find your number, you cut the left of it, because that's the way 8 is set up. But you always double check with your window. And basically with your knife, you just want to score the plastic, and then you just break it off easy. There are little tabs at the top and the bottom, and over here tell you which one you need to break off. I just took the knife, cut that tab off, scored that, cut that off. There go my partner. This is how the top corner look. So you basically score it, and I was using a pair of pliers around here somewhere to just peel it back off. And same with the corner down here. You just score it, peel it off. So I'll show you with this, the main piece. That's the one I already cut. So I'll show you how I did it. So kind of hard with one hand, but I just show you a small section. All I did was just go like this. Scored it on both sides. Once you have it scored, you can just bend it. See how easy that is? So bend it one way, flip it around, do the other side. So you don't break off anything extra. Always, you know, brace support where you're pulling up. And just like that, comes off. Easy. When you're installing them in the window, you just roll your window down. Don't need to be all the way. Normally slide this side in first, like so. Pop in the bottom half, slide it up, get it in position, and then roll the window up and make sure the window catch these little grooves at the bottom. But just to keep the mosquitoes out, a little security, you know, while you're sleeping, these would